Hi everyone, this is Shravani. Welcome to my channel NCERT Made Easy. In the before video, we discussed some questions of Maths Pedagogy of January 2021 paper 1. And the link of the video will be provided in the description box. You can go through the link. And in this video, we'll be covering the remaining questions. And if you have not yet liked, share and subscribe my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and encourage me. Question number 41, identify the correct statement. Option 1, the units of perimeter and area are same. Option 2, the shape of figure determines the perimeter. Option 3, if two figures have same area, their perimeters are equal. Option 4, if two figures have same perimeter, their areas are equal. So you have to identify the correct option here. So option 1, the units of perimeter and area are same. Here the unit of perimeter is centimeter or meter, and the unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. So here they gave that the units are same for both the perimeter and the area, and the option 1 is wrong. The units are not same for the perimeter and the area. And the option 2, the shape of the figure determines the perimeter. You can see that the shape of the figure, this is rectangle and this is square, this is length, and here in square we know that all sides are equal. And how we'll find the perimeter? Perimeter means nothing but sum of sides. So perimeter means sum of the sides. You have to add all the sides. 2 L's are there, it is 2L, and 2 B's are there, it is 2B. 2 into L plus B. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and the perimeter of a square is A plus A plus A plus A, that is equal to 4A. We know that perimeter of a square is 4A, and it is obtained by adding the sides. So here the figures are different. Here for the rectangle the perimeter is 2 into L plus B, and for the square the perimeter is 4A. So the shape of the figure determines the perimeter, and here the option 2 is the right one. And we will see the next one. If the two figures have same area, their perimeters are equal. If the two figures are having the same area, their perimeters are equal. Let us check whether it is right or not. Here two figures are taken. I will take two rectangles, and I will take the perimeter as 20 for both. Given that the two figures have the have the same area. So they gave that the two figures are having the same area. So I will take two rectangles, and both are having the area. Area is 24. Area is 24 for both. But I will take the measurements different. It is 6 and 4. Both are the different figures. So here it is 3, 8 and 3. Here the area is same. Let us check the perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L means 6 plus 4. That is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. In the same way we will check for this. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 11 is equal to 22. Here the areas are, here we can see that the areas are same, but the perimeters are different. So option 3 is also the wrong one, 1 is wrong one, and the 2 is the right one. And we also see once the fourth statement, if two figures have same perimeter, their areas are equal. We will check once. Here also you take the two rectangles, and given here they gave that the two rectangles, and I will take the perimeters are same. I will take the perimeter as 12. And it is, I will take this one as 4 and this one as 2, and here I will take this as 1 and this as 5 and this as 1. Now we have to check whether the areas are same or not. Area is equal to, I have taken the perimeters 12 for both and the sides different. Area is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to length is 4 and breadth is 2, that is equal to 8. And here area is equal to length into breadth and length is 5 and breadth is 1, that is equal to 5. Here the areas are, you can see here, the areas are same but the perimeters are same but the areas are different, and here the option D is also the wrong one. Here we can see that the option 1 is the wrong statement and 2 is right and 3 and 4 also wrong. The shape of the figure determines the perimeter and the option 2 is the right. Question number 42. Identify the correct statement with respect to the mathematics curriculum. Option 1. The concept of negative numbers should be introduced at the primary level for better understanding. Option 2. The concept of area measurement should be introduced only at the upper primary level. Option 3. The foundation of algebraic thinking can be laid at primary level. Option 4. The concept of fraction should be introduced only at the upper primary level. Here, you have to identify the correct statement. So, the concept of negative numbers should be introduced at primary level. The negative numbers should be introduced at the upper primary level for the better understanding. You can introduce at primary level, but the students will not understand because at that time the students can't understand the negative numbers, because in the primary level we have to introduce and we have to make them perfect with the positive numbers and the zero concept. Later we have to go, that is in the upper primary level you have to introduce the negative numbers, and the option 1 is the wrong one. Option number 2, the concept of area measurement should be introduced only at the upper primary level. Area and the measurement are the easy concepts and we can show them through the figures. For example, when we are teaching the measurement, we can teach the students that to fill one water bottle, how many glasses of water are needed. Like that we can teach the measurement to the children, and by using the concrete things we can explain the concept of area and the measurement, whereas the negative numbers we can't teach them by using the concrete objects. So option 2 is also the wrong one, because the area and the measurement can be explained through concrete things, so we can introduce it in the primary level also. Okay, option 2 is the wrong one. Option 3, the foundation of algebraic thinking can be laid at primary level. The foundation means by the simple examples, by the simple things we can start or we can introduce the algebra at the primary level. This is right. And the option for the concept of fraction should be introduced only at the upper primary level. The concept of fraction also can be taught by using the concrete objects, like for example this is a biscuit and I made it half. So this shows that this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. So by using the concrete things we can explain the fractions, and the concept can be introduced at the primary level also, not only at the upper primary level. Here you can see only and the only are the negative ones. Only at the upper primary level is the negative one, and the option 3 is the right answer. Question number 43. Identify the correct statement with regard to the introducing the concept of triangles at primary level. Option 1. Children should be exposed to triangles of all types, but exposure to the other figures should be avoided. Option 2. Children should be exposed to triangles of all types and also to other figures. Option 3. Definition of triangle should be provided first. Option 4. Children should only be exposed to equilateral triangles to avoid confusion. Here when you are introducing the concept of triangles at the primary level, how we have to proceed. Option 1. Children should be exposed to triangles of all types, but exposure to the figures should be avoided. Other figures exposure should be avoided. This one is the wrong one. When you are teaching one concept, you have to take the examples of the other one also. If I want to teach children the triangle, before that I also will show the figures of a square and the rectangle, so that the children will compare and learn it soon. So option 1 is the wrong one. And option 2, children should be exposed to triangles of all types and also to the other figures. Here this is the right statement, because the children should be exposed to the triangles and also to the other figures. So here what they will do, they will compare one figure with the other. For example, you take the triangle. This is having 3 sides, and here this is a square. It is having 4 sides, and all sides are equal. And the rectangle, the length is the longer one and the breadth is the shorter one. Like that, they will compare each figure and they will learn. And option 3, definition of a triangle should be provided first. Definition is an abstract concept, and when you are teaching children the any concept, you have to follow the induction method. That is, the first we have to teach the examples, and through the examples we have to go for the formula or the definitions. So option 3 is the wrong one. And option 4, children should only be exposed to equilateral triangles for the to avoid confusion. So option 4 is also the wrong one, because only this it. We can introduce them to the equilateral triangles, but only to the equilateral triangles is the wrong one. So option 2 is the right one, and remaining are the wrong statements. That when you are teaching anything, not only for the concept of triangles, you have to teach them or show them the other figures also, and teach them by comparing them. So option 2 is the right one. Next, if you have not yet liked, share and subscribe my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and encourage me. Thanks for watching.